Will he be tried or will he be left alone? As the days go by, the trial of former President Parvez Musharraf still seems like a distant dream for his opponents that wish to try him for high treason. As we remember, Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani announced that it was up to the Parliament to pass a unanimous resolution for this to become a reality, and that the PPP and the PML-N only differ on the manner in which this trial will take place rather than the trial itself. Minister for Interior Rahman Malik reiterated this stance on his visit to Saudi Arabia, where former President Musharraf is also visiting at the moment. There was speculation that there was some influence from within the kingdom against the trial.
No, it's not like that. I think it's the reporter from Dawn and DawnNews questioned me that President Musharraf is here and have we met? I said no. And in that question they said, will he be tried under Section 6? So I only said that there has been a proposal in the Parliament by the opposition leader that they will bring the resolutions, and we are waiting for the resolution.
Yet members of the Parliament have so far been unable to table any such resolution, causing impatience and frustration, especially in the PML-N ranks. Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader Nawaz Sharif says that 71% of Pakistanis have demanded the trial of the former president and that he should be tried under Article 6 of the Constitution. Meanwhile, other PML-N leaders took to the courts as Senator Zafar Ali Shah earlier filed a petition under Article 184(3) of the Constitution seeking the former president's trial, but this was rejected by the court. The ruling held that the petitioner was not in a legal position to move the petition and that the Supreme Court was not the proper forum to file it, adding that if there is to be a trial under Article 6, then the federal government would be the correct forum to do so. Today, an appeal has been moved.
This is very much significant, and this is what I am saying, and that's why I approached the apex court of the country. There is a law, there is a federal government, there is a verdict, then why he is not going to be prosecuted?
In between the entire ruckus, PMLQ General Secretary Abid Hasan has stated that everyone will stop talking of Parvez Musharraf's trial after receiving one phone call from Saudi Arabia because the former president left Pakistan after striking a deal with the present government, something the PPP strongly denies. Abid Hasan, Dawn News.